Good morning, all. Phil Brown here with Next Gen Cam. I'm going to walk you through how to draw a gas block in under 60 seconds. Let's jump into it. So as you can see here, I'm going to create my sketch. I'm going to pick my actual plane. I'm going to create that first actual dimension for the size of my barrel. I'm going to give that a true dimension so that I can see scale as we model everything else out. From here, I'm going to go and create my center line. I'm also going to come off this guy tangent. I'm also going to come over here and come tangent up the side. I can add a few more dimensions for this, but the idea is in a down and dirty 60 seconds, how fast can we make this gas block? And how quick can you create designs inside of Fusion 360? So let's go ahead and create that 1 inch worth of length. I'm going to create another sketch on that inner profile. Maybe we lightweight this guy up, add our actual hole for the pin to hold our gas tube. Again, we're going to extrude these two profiles and cut everything out. Lastly, I'm going to go in and I'm actually going to mirror this guy based on that center line that we created and join everything together. So as you can see, under 60 seconds, we just created a very rough profile for a gas block.